Hi three, hope you're all well. I know how much we've been enjoying our Greek myths at school, so I'm just going to talk you through how you can finish off your quest myth at home with your family. So before you actually do this lesson, please can you make sure that you've listened to Miss Smith reading the story of Theseus and the Bandersnatch. If you can, could you print off the story mountain and the story prompt from the website? If not, don't worry about it. And if you can have a pencil, a rubber and a highlighter of any colour, that would also be great. So, can anybody remember the features of a quest myth? If you think you might be able to remember one, can you tell somebody in your house? Okay, let's see if you've got them right. So, a strong hero or a heroine. Can be a boy, can be a girl, doesn't matter. A quest or a journey, so they're going to have to go and do something as part of their mission. A villain, a baddie, terrifying mythical beast, that could be the one that you've already created in lessons. A crisis to overcome. Some magic, which helps the hero, and obviously a nice happy ending to end the story. Okay, so thinking about our quest myth, we've looked quite a lot into these questions. Can you answer any of these based on your own ideas? So we've got who is the hero, what is the test or the quest, what is the crisis that the hero has to overcome, what happens in the end, what's the magical object, and who is the villain. So I'm just going to give you 30 seconds to either talk about it with your partner, your family member, or just have a think in your head to see what you can come up with. Okay, leave now. Okay, so hopefully you've got this in front of you. If not, just have a look on the board now. Our quest myth is going to follow a 6-part structure. So this is a story mountain. What you basically do is you start at number 1, working up through 6 different paragraphs to complete your story. Okay, and when we write, you're going to focus on one section at a time. So if you want to do one on Monday, one Tuesday, and space it out throughout the week to get your best quality writing, that would be a good idea. Afterwards, you can spend some time editing and improving with a purple pen. If you've got a dictionary, you can check your spellings, a thesaurus. You could up-level some of your words as well. Okay, so looking at the structure. So section 1, you're going to talk about the setting, the protagonist, which means the hero, and the villain. So you're going to introduce those 3 things. Section 2 is where the villain sends the hero on a dangerous quest to get something or defeat something. Section 3, they come across a problem where magic might help to overcome this. Section 4, they accomplish their mission. You might even have some more danger here. There might be another mythical beast. There could be a battle. Section 5, the protagonist returns home as a hero. And number 6, the villain is defeated and punished. Everyone else has a happy ending. So hopefully you've listened to Miss Smith's story of Theseus and the Bandersnatch already. So I won't read that to you again now, but section 1 is all about describing and introducing 3 things, which are the setting, the hero and the villain. So if you have got this in front of you, if you could find the very start, the introduction, where it says, long ago on the island of Crete. Okay, so as we are describing the setting, where it is, I want you, if you can, to highlight that word Crete, or even on the island of Crete, because that's where the story is set. Okay, the other 2 things we need to do are introduce the villain, who is King Peleus, and the hero, which is Theseus over here. Okay, so they're the 3 things that we just need to introduce for section 1. Okay, don't forget, if you want to go on to section 2 on another day, that's absolutely fine. Section 2 is all about the villain sending the hero on a dangerous quest. So in this example, King Peleus sends Theseus on an impossible mission to collect the head of the Bandersnatch. So you just need to highlight, collect the head of the vicious Bandersnatch. And because of that, he's going to win the love of Medea. Okay? Don't worry if you don't have this in front of you, you can just look at the board. Section 3, this is where the hero comes across a problem and there might be some kind of magic that helps them. So he arrives at the Lake of Black Death, he goes through the enchanted forest, and he's got a sword that's going to help him with his mission. That's section 3. Section 4, is where they accomplish their mission, overcoming even more danger. Okay, so they've got here the volcano of Mount Doom. Okay, there's bones there, and there's another mythical beast in that section as well. Section 5, the protagonist returns home as a hero, and then section 6, the villain is defeated, everyone else, it is a happy ending. Yeah, you can do both of those sections together, as it's only 2 quite short ones. And then what we were planning to do is we were going to make this into a storybook. So you can see here the one that me and Miss Smith have made. If you want to at home, this is what we were going to do at school. So you've got your writing on one side and then lots of illustrations around the outside. So that's basically section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4, and then like I said, 5 and 6 together.